The first word on the cross, Father, forgive them. They know not what they do. They have to do what they do. I have to fall into division and fragment my being into the unnumbered parts called humanity, and then rise into unity and gather all my scattered members together and rise as God himself. That's the story. It is God who fell and God who rises. So I know from my own experience, nothing dies. Those who have not had the experience here, all right, they're restored in a world that is terrestrial, just like this. And they continue their journey until that moment in time when they're resurrected. And resurrection is resurrection into unity. And the outpictured world, the whole vast universe, is himself pushed out, is gathered together then. And they move up. And I, when I am lifted up from the earth, I will draw all men unto me. See it? This is the mystery of which we speak here night after night. You're not some tiny little thing just pushed out. You are the whole. One must be all. And the day will come, you will find that you really are the all. So not one person in the universe could be outside of you when you are resurrected. Because as you are raised up, you raise all with you. And each will have the experience of being raised up, and all, eventually, will be the one. And in that day, there shall be one. His name one, as we are told in Zechariah. But Blake tells it so beautifully in his dream of 9 nights, called Valor, or the 4 Zoes. And then he tells a story of the falling into division. And when they're all gathered together, this one man they call Jesus. And they in him, and he in them, live in perfect harmony in Eden, the land of life. For you are the Lord Jesus Christ, whose resurrection they're going to celebrate this coming Sunday. Who tell that to the priest who slept it? Tell that to any minister. Because they are sound asleep. They do not know who the Lord Jesus Christ is. I tell you, the Lord Jesus Christ is buried in you. And he is your own wonderful human imagination. That's the Lord Jesus Christ. And when he is raised in you, you will raise all in this universe with you. That is the story.